What's good, y'all? It's your boy Frankie T, and we're here in my balcony upstairs. And little change of scenery, don't mind. It's a little messy in here if y'all see that, but um, it was a little late for today. I wanted to drop a video earlier, but I didn't have the chance to. I'm trying to drop on Mondays, uh, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But today we're talking about 2022. Um, I'm a person, my intuition kind of usually serves me right. I usually get these kind of feelings, and I feel like, to be honest, 2022 might be worse than 2020, yo. Like, we see, inflation went up 5.4%, I believe, over the past month over month, I think it was. And we're having shortages. I work in IT, and um, so when it comes to getting like laptops and whatnot, there's a chip shortage going on with that. So like laptops that you can get in a couple of days, now takes weeks. We have to wait till August, September just to get laptops. And it just seems like, even housing is just a shortage. Everything's a shortage. Now we have the coronavirus cases coming back, the Delta variant and whatnot. Just a lot of things that are happening, and I just feel like, man, like 2022. I feel like with the market crashing too, a lot of people's like pensions or Social Security, all that, you know, 401ks, people's just gonna be destroyed. The eviction moratorium, you know, that's coming to an end. The unemployment's coming to an end. I just feel like there's just so much catalyst and just like a lot of things, crazy things may happen in the future and for 2022. And I just feel like, if 2020 was bad, like 2022 might be even worse. You know what I mean? Like it's just, um, for me, I usually have a positive outlook, and I know for me, I know my year is gonna be good. I know every year is gonna be good. God willing, but you know, that's not to say everybody's gonna have a good year. You know what I mean? So like, it just kind of things come into my mind. So it's just like, man, like for those that are out there, make sure you're tracking all those finances. Just like from the last couple of videos about how to track your expenses. Make sure y'all are tracking your expenses. If you can get into some REITs and whatnot, those might even drop. I'm not even gonna lie. Everything might just end up crashing. Even crypto. Like I know 2022 might probably be the year for crypto, but we just never know. It's just a lot of things going on. So, you know, inflation may be a big thing to come. It's here and it may continue to get crazier just because of all the shortages going on. But if we, and sorry, there's a lot of noise out here. It's just so I'm trying to be as loud as possible. But with everything going on, I just feel like um, just stack your money. If you can get into some investments, some good quality investments, housing. So you can lock in a good interest rates before the Fed hikes up the interest rates. Cool, like, these things are just wild, man. So, if you guys can, you know, the whole point of this channel is to make sure that you guys are equipped with the financial tools. Even me, I'm still learning. This is why I'm starting this journey of my financial journey with you guys, and just taking what I learned and putting myself in front of you guys on YouTube. I know this is like a weird place to be doing this right now, but content will be getting better shortly. But I just appreciate those who are watching and staying tuned with me, and we'll kind of update as we go. But 2022, I mean, I can already see it. Just get your stuff ready, get your money up, get your money ready, because there may be some crazy things that's gonna happen. There's just so much uncertainty. Um, so I'm just kind of letting y'all know, just be prepared. That intuition, that third eye speaking. But other than that, like I said, we're gonna have some more content coming through. Comment down below on what you want to see. But if you felt like you learned something from this video, go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe, and you guys have a wonderful day. Peace.
Two times.
Ayy, T-Mills, ayy. I need that guap in my hand. 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 I need that guap in my hand.